like a bit dark in my room. I don't know how it's looking actually. Doesn't look good. You might be thinking why I'm getting ready so much. So it's been so long since I met my friends and left my house to meet another person. In the last video I went out. I don't know why I refer to myself as we, because I usually talk to myself, probably because of that. By the way, the disturbance is my fan. It is very hot in India. Even though most of my audience, I think so, is from India. I don't know. By the way, if you guys see me like lisping or anything in between like talking, it's because I got Invisalign and I have a hard time pronouncing S sounds. So yeah, that is why. I am wearing this cropped shirt thing and this skirt, giving the summer vibes, relaxed outfit.
널 볼 때면 내 숨이 가빠져 방심한 사이 내 맘을 훔친 너 회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점 너만의 태도로 날 물들여가 You set my world on fire 내 세상에 번져 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my world on fire You set my world on fire
Hi everybody. It's been a few days. So I am going to meet one of my friends and like I had my coffee a while ago and I kind of forgot to put my Invisalign back in. Some days I just like forget. When I have like too much to do, I forget. This is very random. I just needed to record this. By the way, I'm looking at the screen, so don't mind if I look in a weird directions. I was just thinking that this is so bizarre. I forgot. See, this is what happens. Can you imagine once the fan is on? There is so much background noise, but don't mind me. Do you know, like once I went and attended a whole wedding and I kinda always forget to put like mascara on or something on so my face looks like a bland thing. Ah, I just need, like, sometimes I just forget stuff. I don't know why. It is 7:15 and I have to meet my friend at around 7:30. So I'm just doing like finishing touches these days. I've been doing like this little smoky wing thing. I love it. Such chaos, man, such chaos. By the way, if you think that I have not recorded for the past few days, it's because I've been stuck with those stupid Pantone paintings. They are like, why aren't they finishing? It's like, you know, that a black hole of painting. It's kind of like that. I don't know why it's not finishing. I don't know. It is very hot outside, and I have decided to wear black because it's kind of my color. I have been trying to experiment with new colors like the green skirt you saw me wear, and I also got like a few green dresses. I kind of like green. Gives me forest witch vibes, so yeah. I always do go for the witchy looks. So yes, I've been getting old, wrinkles and shit. You remember the last video I got this lip shade? It is the shade Marrakesh Mare Powder Lipstick by MAC. I love this. I usually go for reds, but this is kind of getting my favorite. See? So good. And I'm kind of like lazy to do lip liner and all that shit. See? This is the lip shade. It looks so good. I love it. Already.
아득한 동화 속 주인공 하나같이 찾게 되지 행복 운명이란 거부하려 해도 결국 돌고 돌아 우리 만나게 될걸 You set my world on fire 내 세상에 번져 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 하고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my world on fire You set my world on fire 비가 오면 우산 대신 맞닿은 손 꼭 붙잡고 마음속에 불꽃 되어 작은 온기 전해주기 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 하고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 함께 있어줘 You set my world on fire
Yara gets us back underway. Pune Panoy with the bump and then off the block for Thailand to get back on.
날 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my world on fire
So, over the last 2 weeks, actually, I have only been working on the Pantone project. I'm just like on card number 80. I don't know. Yeah. I'm working on card number 87 to 90 and just like 10 cards left. So, there is no holding back now. Actually, right now, I'm not in the studio, I'm in my study at my other place, and here like the setup is there. I'm just like taking a break, okay? But I just can't take like too much break because my brain has conjured up an idea on how I want to showcase the 100 paintings, and I gotta learn a new software for that because why not? I just saw something somewhere and I really want to recreate it. I know it is going to be quite difficult. I don't know how to do anything, but we'll figure it out when the time comes. Before that, I'm just going to think about finishing the paintings, nothing more, nothing less. And then I'm going to be working on a few other stuff I had in my mind while figuring out how to showcase the idea that I've been thinking of. I don't know why I do that to myself, why I conjure up ideas that I don't know how to recreate, and then I have to learn stuff just to do that. Anyway, that is what I've been doing, and also like I have been working on like a video edit for a studio vlog for the Spallets channel because it's been 6 months since I posted anything there, and I felt like it was high time I started posting on my painting channel again rather than just being scared of like regularly creating stuff. Uh, I keep making trouble for myself. We have long been in this territory, so it's nothing new. I think you guys also know by now how much I like to spew out ideas and then not finish them. It's just my personality now. Anyway, this week I did not, like, for the last 2 weeks, I did not watch much Netflix or read much books. I don't know what I was doing. Like, a few days, I actually went out to meet my friends and all. And I, for some reason, if I have to meet somebody, I cannot do anything that day. I don't know why my brain is wired like that. Like, if I have a meeting or a lunch with somebody at like 1:30 p.m., the time before that is kind of wasted and the time after that is kind of wasted, so I just have one thing that I can do that day. I don't know why I'm like that, and that happened like 2 or 3 days, but it's okay. I might have been needing that break anyway. So volleyball season started, Volleyball Nations League, and I've been watching that like a little bit here and there. And other than that, I did watch some F1. Obviously, it was the Canadian Grand Prix. I don't know if I recorded that, I kind of forgot. And I've been watching MasterChef Australia. I, for some reason, do love watching MasterChef because they make like these cool looking food that I never would eat. because some of the foods I don't like to eat. I'm a very picky eater, and I just like how pretty it is sometimes, and I don't like to watch like any other sort of like these competition kind of shows, but I do like watching this one. And I just watched like one movie called Glass Onion Knives Out Mystery. It is kind of old on Netflix, but I had not watched it, and it had been in my to watch list for quite some time. So I watched that. I enjoyed it. I other than that, I've been watching like a lot of YouTube. I don't know, I cannot mention each and every video now. And I did finish that book, A Soul to Heal, second book in the Duskwalker Brides. I took some time with it. I don't know. It was interesting, and for some reason I just like was very slow in listening to the audiobook. And I have been reading Bite of Vengeance, but I don't know. I'm not like, and nothing is like holding my interest. I have been like very slow in reading that book. Maybe it's because the first two books were so good, and it took the third book to like third book came out after a while, and I just like lost touch with everything. But that just happens, and I have like a few other series too that I have to read, like the last book. I don't know how I'm going to get through those. Other than that, I did start listening to Paladin's Strength. That is the second book in the Saint of Steel book series that I last week started to read. And it is going great so far. It is interesting actually. And yesterday night, I for some reason was craving to listen to a really grotesque and um, questionable book that has so much graphic content that I could not like I cannot even explain what I am reading, because it's like kind of from a psychopath's point of view. It's like the first book that I read was like, I don't know if I read it last year or year before that. It was Bones by Yolanda Olson. If you guys have read that book, I know there is that scene that I cannot even describe. I think the video would be taken down if I try to describe that. And now I'm reading a second part to that book. The first one was with a male lead who is not a serial killer, he's a killer. This one is a female lead who is also a killer. But it's like, I don't know if the stories are interconnected. I just started reading it yesterday. It is quite a short book, so I might finish it today. I could have finished it tomorrow, but I didn't want to stay up later than I was already awake. So, yeah, the second book that I'm reading is called Venom by Yolanda Olson. And if you guys want to know, you can read the description for the book by yourself, because I am not going to explain it here. It is something else. So I think that is all we did. Quite short, right? I know. I know. I have been just like watching MasterChef. I just needed something light, okay? Whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I did have fun creating this one. I actually went out to film stuff. So, yay!